Welcome to my student. Now today's lectures we have see the new topic carbonyl compound. In this topic we have see various type of reactions and prepared the aldehyde or ketones. Now we have seen the name reactions Gattermann-Koch formylation reactions. Those reactions mainly used for the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. So in this method can we use a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride gas is bubbled through a solution of the aromatic hydrocarbons in nitrobenzene by using the catalyst like aluminum chloride and small amounts of cuprous chloride which is act as a co-catalyst. Now the carbon monoxide can firstly reacts with hydrogen chloride gas like this. Carbon monoxide firstly reacts with hydrogen chloride gas and to form this such an intermediate compound formyl chloride. Then this formyl chloride can reacts with aromatic hydrocarbons like benzene and to gives aromatic aldehyde in presence of aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride gives aromatic aldehyde like a benzaldehyde. So such a type of reactions are called as Gattermann-Koch formylation reactions. And hence, in Gattermann-Koch formylation reaction mainly used for the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Similarly, the other examples we have see are here as like this is a toluene. This toluene can treat with carbon monoxide plus hydrogen chloride gas in presence of aluminum trichloride as a catalyst and co-catalyst cuprous chloride to give the aldehyde position. So aldehyde group is attached to this position can take place to form those molecules having aromatic aldehyde. So these two reactions can show the Gattermann-Koch formylation reactions. One things are very important. By using these Gattermann reactions, we are prepared aromatic aldehyde. But such reactions limitedly can use the benzene and alkyl benzene. But this reaction is not applicable to containing the phenols, phenolic ethers and also arenes due to deactivated by electron withdrawing group. For example, the nitrobenzene cannot be take place by aldehyde. Next type of reactions we have see are here like Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We have see much times for these reactions. The introduction of acyl group on the benzene ring as like this is a acyl group is attached to the benzene ring is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and this reaction can be used to prepare aromatic ketones, right? This is a general reactions. So this is general reactions can prepare aromatic ketone. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction can be carried out by reacting the benzene ring with acid halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and to use the ketone. This is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. Another reagents can be used, like a benzene can treat with acetic anhydride in presence of aluminum chloride, and therefore this group, acyl group, can introduce at this benzene ring to form the ketone, and remaining part is a RC double bond OH, that is a acetic acid, will be replaced. Then the next reactions we have seen to prepare acetophenone from the benzene, as like those benzene ring or benzene compounds can treat with this acetyl chloride. Then what happens? This chlorine replaced by this benzene ring. Such a chlorine can replace by benzene ring. So in presence of AlCl3, so this acyl group is attached to the benzene ring to form the acetophenone. Right? So this chlorine replaced by benzene, which is called as an acetophenone. Similarly, this benzene ring or benzene compound can treat with acetic anhydride. Then what happens? This acyl group, right? This is acyl group are introduced at this position of the benzene ring to form acetophenone as the compound in presence of aluminum trichloride as a catalyst, and byproducts will be eliminated as the acetic acid in presence of acetic anhydride. Now we have see the next reaction, preparation of benzophenone from benzene. This is one molecules of benzene and other molecules of, this is a benzoyl chloride, right? Other molecules is a benzoyl chloride. So condensation reactions also can happen, like this chlorine replaced by the benzene ring are here, right? Benzene ring. This is a chlorine replaced by benzene ring. HCl will be replaced. So it is benzophenone, will get the product of aluminum trichloride. So this is one of the methods to prepare the benzophenone from this benzene. Next reactions, now we have see are here. The benzene on treatment with, this is a phenyl acetyl chloride. This benzene can treat with phenyl acetyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride. What happens? Similarly, this chlorine replaced by benzene, right? This chlorine replaced by benzene, and to form the product is deoxybenzoin, or another name is a benzyl phenyl ketone. Another name is benzyl phenyl ketone. Next type of reactions we have see are here, preparation of anthraquinone from benzene. So this type of reactions we are see, like this is benzene. It is also a Friedel-Crafts acylation type of reaction. So the benzene can treat with the phthalic anhydride. This is a phthalic anhydride in presence of aluminum trichloride. What happens? This benzene is attacked on this carbonyl carbon, and breaking of this carbon oxygen bond can take place as like this. So this is a benzene ring, and this is a other phthalic structure. So this phthalic can break this bond from this and to get other side OH. Then what happens? In presence of concentrated H2SO4, the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction takes place to form the O-benzoyl benzoic acid, right? this is a O-benzoyl benzoic acid, then can be cyclized under heating with concentrated H2SO4 and to form the product is anthraquinone. The product is anthraquinone from benzene. Next type of reactions we are see is here. The general mechanism of nucleophilic addition to carbonyl group. This is a nucleophiles. Firstly, nucleophilic reaction. The carbonyl compounds commonly undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Having general mechanism of reaction can be explained as like. Firstly, the carbonyl group are highly polar. You know that why it is a carbonyl group is highly polar? Because oxygen is more electronegative than carbons, and therefore the carbons will have some of this positive charge. Carbons will have some positive charge, and oxygen will have the negative charge as like this. Negative charge and a positive charge on the carbons, and therefore these nucleophiles, right? This nucleophile Z is attack on this carbonyl carbon is attacked and to form the negative charge on oxygens, right? So this is a negative charge on oxygen. Phenoxide like ions will be formed, and then this O minus can pick up protons from this H plus like acid and to form the OH, right? Which is electrophilic in nature. The electrophilic in nature, therefore nucleophile attack on this carbonyl carbon to form negative charge on oxygens, and then this negative charge on oxygen pick up the proton from the acids and to convert the OH. So this is a one types of the mechanism. So in this reaction, trigonal nature of the carbon atom changes into tetrahedral nature, and hence called as a tetrahedral mechanism. In presence of acid, next type of mechanism is in presence of the acid, the mechanism will be changed as a different. It means that in presence of acid, firstly, the lone pair on the oxygen can pick up the protons and to form this positive charge. Lone pair is given to protons, so positive charge on oxygen is here. And then after, this bond can transfer to neutralize the charge on oxygens and therefore form the positive charge on this carbon. Right? So this positive charge on the carbons will show electrophilic in nature, and therefore this Z as a nucleophile is attack on carbonyl carbon due to the protonation of oxygens to produce more electrophilic these carbons, and therefore the Z minus as a nucleophile attack easily on this carbonyl carbon and to form is a nucleophilic addition type of reaction to show a carbonyl carbon or aldehyde or ketone type of reactions. Now we have seen some reactions. We have some different reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Now first type of reactions we have seen are here the reactions with hydrogen cyanide. Reactions with hydrogen cyanide. The carbonyl compounds react with hydrogen cyanide to form the addition product which is known as cyanohydride. The reactions are carried out by adding the mineral acids and to the mixture of carbonyl compound and aqueous sodium cyanide. Right. So firstly, this is a sodium cyanide in presence of sulfuric acid. to get our reagents like hydrogen cyanide plus sodium sulfate. Then this hydrogen cyanide, like your aldehyde or ketones, for example, it is a ketones. Then this cyanide is a minus charge H plus Cn minus. So Cn minus attack on this carbonyl carbon. This is a carbonyl carbon which are electrophilic to get cyanohydrine. This is a cyanohydrine. Right. Similarly, other aldehyde. This is a aldehyde molecule. We add the hydrogen cyanide. Similarly, Cn minus attack on this carbonyl carbon and to form oxygen on oxygen, negative charge on oxygens. Negative charge on oxygens pick up the proton from this H, convert OH to also get cyanohydrine. Right? This is a cyanohydrine. And then this cyanohydrine we can hydrolysis with water, acid hydrolysis on heating conditions. This cyanide is converted to the acid. Okay. Cyanide is converted to acid. So this is the name of lactic acid. This is a structure of lactic acid. Hence, lactic acid can be prepared from the acetaldehyde by using hydrogen cyanide. Next reactions is also one type of reaction. The reaction react with hydrogen cyanide. Like this, hydrogen cyanide can react with benzaldehyde as like the Cn minus attack on this carbonyl carbon and to form negative charge on oxygens which pick up the protons of H to convert OH. Right? This OH is cyanide. It is a cyanohydrine. We'll get that is a benzaldehyde cyanohydrine. Then these benzaldehyde cyanohydrines can treat with the acid hydrolysis with water to get cyanide is converted to the acid. Cyanide is converted to the acid. And so name is alpha. This is alpha carbon. So alpha hydroxy, alpha phenyl acetic acid. Right? Alpha hydroxy, alpha phenyl acetic acid as the product. Thank you.